Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Xiaomi 17 heating while charging. So first, you need to understand that it's normal if you charge your device using fast charging. So if you go over into the settings and then scroll down to the battery, you will go to the charging options. You will see that if your wired charging mode is set at top speed, then your device might heat up, and even your device tells you. So switch it to standard, and if your phone is still heating up, what you guys want to do is check the background apps for any high power consumption or the apps that could be using the heat. So go to the battery. Now watch the apps right here. As you guys can see, the system launcher is taking a lot of stuff here. Battery used by app is almost 35%. This is a lot, but this phone is freshly after the setup, so there's not a lot of apps I've been using here. We can of course restrict those background apps that are working in the background so they do not work anymore. And now what we can do after that is basically make sure that we're using the original charger and a cable. It's very important, because if we're using some third-party ones, then what can happen is simply destroying your battery life, and of course your battery won't be charged as fast as with the normal charger. Now what you guys can do is avoid using the phone while charging it. So if you're gaming on your phone while it's charging, then you might as well just use the phone without a charger, because there's no point of playing games while charging the phone. You will only destroy your battery life, and of course your phone will heat up like crazy, so we don't want it. Now we want to make sure that we remove the case to improve heat dissipation. So I've got my case right here. Now if we remove it, then the heat trapped under the case won't be here. It will let go. And after that, what you guys want to do as a last resort is make sure to charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, because everybody knows that if you plug your phone in the sun, your phone will heat up even more. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.